There's really three advantages to buying a new construction home that oftentimes people don't think about. The first one is energy efficiency of a brand new home is going to be completely different than buying an older home with older windows and older standards all around. So definitely going to see some energy efficiency. The second one is kind of obvious, but people don't often think of it, is that everything's new. All of the systems are new. You have a brand new furnace, brand new roof, brand new, all of those, thinking about all of those expensive things that are to replace. When you buy a new construction home, you get everything new. But the third and probably most important advantage to buying a new construction home is the freedom of choice. You not only get to choose the location and everything in that home, but you also are free from competition from other home buyers coming in, creating a bidding war, and really taking away that freedom of choice that you get if you were going to buy a resale home.